Throughout the state of Kansas, there is no law firm with more attorneys than Folston Siefken, with clients in industries as diverse as aviation, healthcare, manufacturing, education, and technology. Folston Siefken has assembled a versatile team of attorneys with knowledge and experience in virtually every field of private practice. And yet, when Robert Folston began his career fresh out of the University of Kansas in 1910, it was in the service of a very public client as the city of Wichita's very first attorney. Not long after he was hired, Folston was facing a very big case for the city.
Fortunately, he lost at the trial level, but he associated with a young lawyer that just graduated from the University of Chicago, George Siefken. They managed to win the case on appeal, and that started a long relationship that was quite a partnership.
Early on, Folston Siefken was integral to the growth of many legendary Wichita entrepreneurs, including one who built an outdoor empire on a single bright idea. The young practice also found itself representing a fledgling aircraft company that was building biplanes for the military. That startup company is still on the roster of Folston Siefken's clients today.
I really don't remember how long Folston Siefken has been associated with this plant. Probably goes back to Folston and Siefken, and maybe even Bill Boeing, I don't know. I became the general manager of the plant 17 years ago, and Folston Siefken was an important part of managing this business back then and has been every day since.
Of course, name changes were also destined to mark the history and growth of Folston Siefken as the firm added expertise and experience to the ranks of its partners.
The name has had several iterations. Probably the longest iteration was Folston Siefken, Powers, and Eberhardt. And George Powers and John Eberhardt were the two that really picked up the gauntlet when Mr. Siefken, Mr. Folston died, and carried this firm to the next level. George was an amazing trial lawyer. John Eberhardt was the consummate appellate lawyer. And together, they made quite a pair. In some respects, almost an unbeatable team. And they both insisted over the years that when they were gone, that the world knew us as Folston Siefken, and that's what we did.
Folston Siefken's 87 attorneys now serve their clients from offices in Overland Park, Topeka, and in Wichita's waterfront development. Most are Kansas-born and educated, and all are proud to bring to their firm a record for professionalism that has been repeatedly recognized as among the nation's finest. No less than 52 of their number were included in the 2013 edition of the Best Lawyers in America. In 2012, Folston Siefken was recognized as the leading law firm in Kansas by Chambers USA, an international legal research publication. And that same year, 33 of their attorneys were honored as super lawyers in Missouri and Kansas, a recognition reserved for only 5% of attorneys in each state or region. With members who practice in areas as diverse as environmental law, commercial and complex litigation, construction law, employment and labor law, franchise and distribution law, tax law, M&A, general business and healthcare law, the firm is full service in the scope of its advocacy and representation.
I can remember coming down here as a summer law clerk in the summer of 1982 and just being amazed at how many really smart people could be gathered in one place. But brilliance by itself can be brittle, and you need something more, and I think the something more here is that we truly care about our clients.
Ultimately, it boils down to the people. It boils down to the key people that interface with our company and the trust that has been built up over the years. The trust not just from people with personal integrity, but with people with expertise as well, and the ability to help us manage our business effectively.
As proud as the attorneys of Folston Siefken are of their contributions on behalf of their clients, they are also deeply gratified to continue the firm's long-standing tradition of service to their community.
You know, we recognize that we've been blessed, both as an organization, as individuals, and we've had a long history of believing that we have a duty or responsibility to give back to our community.
From community organizations to education to youth organizations, the lawyers and staff of Folston Siefken strive to make life in Wichita a healthier, richer experience for all our citizens.
Well, I've had the privilege of serving on several boards in the community with representatives from Folston Siefken. Wichita and South Central Kansas derives a great benefit, I think, from their involvement, not only from their expertise, but because they allow their employees from all age categories. They are establishing a foundation and a legacy for the future to help make us a great place to live and do business for generations to come.
Kansas-born and Kansas-dedicated, the law firm that grew out of the first city attorney's office nearly a century ago still represents Wichita to the world today. With every client they serve and every worthy cause they advance, they exemplify qualities that speak volumes for the industry, professionalism, and drive to excel that has been the historic hallmark of Wichita. Far more than attorneys of unassailable skill, these are our citizen ambassadors whose character and commitment build the best case for our brightest future.